Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cecina. First, select high-quality cecina, ensuring it has a deep red color and marbled fat. You will need a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and perhaps a pinch of smoked paprika. Allow your cecina to sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before you start. This helps it cook evenly and stay tender. Preparing your cecina properly makes all the difference in its texture and taste. If your cecina isn't already thinly sliced, cut it against the grain into pieces approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. This helps keep it tender when cooked. You can also rub a very thin layer of minced garlic or a tiny bit of smoked paprika onto each side for an extra flavor boost. Be gentle, the flavor is already rich. Pan frying is a fantastic way to bring out cecina's rich flavors quickly. Heat your pan over medium-high heat until it's quite hot, about 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ensuring it coats the bottom. Place cecina slices in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side for just 1 to 2 minutes until lightly golden brown. It cooks very fast. Once cooked, plate your cecina immediately to enjoy its tender texture and deep flavor. A classic presentation involves arranging the warm slices on a rustic wooden board, perhaps with some freshly sliced tomato and a sprinkle of sea salt. Serve it alongside some good quality crusty bread for dipping and a small dish of marinated olives. This combination highlights the cecina beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.